Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, here in Lansing, Michigan, on the south side of town. Yes, we have an alliance. Alrighty, let's go up to 2. This is number 250. This is store number 250. Nice motor. 2. It's going on to 1. That took a while to wing. Certificate up there. Innovation buttons. Not bad. Scope 2. Did not want to ring. State of Michigan thing up top. Ads. Of course. Here's another ad. Another ad, doors. Here is this ad, bathrooms. Certificate. £4,500 capacity. Innovation junk. There it goes. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.